My dog ate a wild mushroom, and we just spent $140 for the vet to tell us she's high.
Anarchy! 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 I don't even know what that means.
Oh no. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. No.
What? Why are you being sassy?
Come here. Was that you? Hey, who was it? Hey, don't. Get your ass back inside.
I'm looking for.
You got him a runner, 10?
I'd like to leave.
I'm sorry to tell you this, but you're, well, adopted.
So you know you're my baby and I love you, but you cannot go turkey hunting with me.